We are here at Whiston Industries and we're going to find out how this third generation business is using Tebis software to protect their machines, improve their process stability and make superior components.
Tebis is a CAD, CAM and MES software company, but we're more than that because Tebis also is a process supplier. And this is really important because we're also able to offer consultancy, implementation services as well as training, etc. for our customers to optimize their manufacturing environment.
Whiston Industries is a family-owned business. I'm third generation. It was founded by William Whiston 65 years ago. He had two brothers, Bob and Bruce Whiston, and I'm Bob's son. So we manufacture press tools for the automotive industry. We've got customers like Jaguar Land Rover, Aston Martin and Audi, to name a few. How we stay competitive is investment, efficiency. We've invested heavily in two-purpose fine finishing machines to increase accuracy, reduce the time and allow us to have lights off machining using the Tebis software. We've been working with Tebis since 2018. We have 5 licenses. We use the software to link programs, increase efficiency, reduce time, allow us to use the software to have colour coding to allow us to machine more efficiency and with a higher accuracy. So Tebis allows us to link the programs. We'll have an upper die and a lower die on the same machining bed, so we can link the programs, run them day and night, reducing tolerance errors.
And what this is great for is, one is relieving capacity on machine, or increasing capacity on machine I should say, but also it's really important to sometimes machine the outer and inner parts of a die, or the upper and lower parts of the die together to maintain accuracy. Is we're able to program all of these things in a separate environment, but then put them a layout on the machine bed and optimize both sets of toolpaths which have been programmed separately together to give consistent quality on the part and reduce the time on the machining. So some of the benefits of Tebis, and one of the key benefits, is the automation of CAD-CAM and the toolpaths. And in Tebis we have smart operations. And these smart operations, basically this is intelligent manufacturing in the software. And it's about building the customer's manufacturing environment into the software. And the smart operations could be anything from a CAD template to automate the process of preparing a part for machining. So we create the blank, we position the clamps, we cover holes for roughing, etc. And all of this then prepared and then goes into the CAM software, where in the CAM software then we can have our smart operations, from smart toolpath operations to smart process operations, to give the customer full automation on their CAM environment.
So Whiston Industries are using Tebis collision software, so we can eliminate any potential crashes or damage on the tooling.
We create a full digital twin, not just of the machines, but of the full manufacturing environment of the customer. The digital twin reflects not just the machine, but it's the cutting tools, which are really important, because in the cutting tools, we're thinking not only the speeds and feeds, maybe the plunge feed rate, the step over feed rate, the ramping feed rate, the cooling. What has an effect on the cutting tool is maybe the type of cutter I'm using or the material it's made from, solid carbide insert. The machine that I'm running on, whether it's a large machine, a small machine, old, new, all of these affect the cutting conditions in reality, even the material that we're cutting. And if we take all of these mixed together, these can be quite individual for every company. So it's important that we're able to build this into the software for more effective machining. So Whiston's also have the Tebis Special Laser package. And this is really great software because in this software we're able to create toolpaths where we can manipulate the head position to avoid collisions. We can optimize the machining vectors to stop any unnecessary turns of the head. but also we can adapt the toolpath with path correction in areas that we need to make changes on the contour of the part without actually having to change the data. And this could be both maybe relief on a corner, etc., or maybe we need to optimize the way we're following curves on the part.
So we have ongoing support with Tebis. The Tebis team will come in periodically and support the team, tweak the libraries, make adjustments accordingly, and support us with any online requirements. The future for us is positive. It means that we can be efficient by reducing the benching levels required on the tooling.